How to fix Instagram Reels not playing. So simply open your Instagram. Make sure the first thing is to make sure you have a good internet connection. So if you simply go to your Instagram here, Instagram Reel here, you can see I cannot see my Instagram Reels. This is because of the internet connection. So what you should do is scroll down. If you're using your cellular data, make sure you have a good connection. If you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. So in here, if it is a network issue, then you can simply try to troubleshoot it by tapping on the airplane icon right here. Wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, tap on it again and simply turn it off. After doing that, your network connection will be resetted, and then from here you can now start scrolling your Instagram Reels, and I'm pretty sure that it will start working. But if it's still not working, then another thing that you should do is check for any sort of Instagram update. Simply go back, open your app store, and in here tap on the search icon, tap on search bar, simply search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, you can see right here if there are any kind of update, you'll be able to see the update option. Simply tap on that one, and like that, within few seconds your Instagram will be up to date. So after updating your Instagram, you can simply open it and see if your reel is working or not. If it's still not working, then lastly all you need to do is offload your application. So simply open the settings of your phone, and then from here what you're going to do is scroll down a bit, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Then from here you'll need to now find Instagram just like this. Tap on Instagram, tap on offload app, tap on offload app one more time. Within few seconds your application will be offloaded. Then after that you'll get to see the option of reinstall app. Simply tap on reinstall app. Then within few minutes your Instagram will be reinstalled back on your phone, and like that you can simply open your Instagram, and I'm definitely sure that your Instagram reel will now start working. So yeah, that is it.